Welcome, welcome, boys. You're looking at the engine compartment of our 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo with the 3.7 V6. Doing an air filter replacement. This should be a pretty quick and easy video, assuming they give me the correct parts. There's Jeep on it. Frank David Adam 8817. We'll see, because this wouldn't be the first time they gave me the wrong part or something. Let's see, back glass freaking strut supports for further on that one. Alright, so once you undo the clamps, you'll be able to slide her out. We can take this breather tube off. Alright, with the clamps out of the way, get our boot out of the way and our air filter out. It is pretty dirty, boys. Pretty dirty. This looks to be the same size, so I think she'll fit. I have a bunch of leads and stuff in there too. If I had my vacuum out, I'd vacuum it out. I don't. So these stay in there. For the very least, they won't be getting through this filter. Alright, that filter fits in quite nicely. Let's slide her back in. Put her down. Put the breather tube back on. Clamp back up and secure it. This clamp back up and secure it. Boo-ka. And it's as easy as that, boys, how you replace the air filter on the 08 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 3.7 V6. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.